ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Adeyemi, why are you avoiding me? No, àtijọ́ birthday Teniola ni mo ti rí ẹ last. Why? Show miss me ni. Oh, feel pé ká ti ríra.
Ṣorí ọ̀rọ̀ dídí ọkọ yìí. Ó sọ sí mi lẹ́nu. Ó buyọ̀ sí. Ìṣòro kò ṣe ń pọ́nlá. Ìyọ̀rẹ́ kò ṣe ń tú dànù. Your husband, my best friend. Ó ṣẹ̀dẹ̀ látẹ̀wọ̀n. So mi ò feel pé ọ̀rọ̀ ó miss me, àríra ló ká máa sọ́nsìn. Ṣorí àfẹ́ ètò ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin mi àti mo feel pé torí pé okay, I was depressed at that time and you needed someone. That was why I just wanna be there for you to help you. Ọ̀rẹ́ gan mi lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé bí a mo ṣọkọ ẹ lórí ni o àbí mo ṣe ká fún. You see, ibi tá ń lọ jìnnà. The thing is, I want us to put an end to everything that has ever happened between us. I don't want it to ever occur again. I don't even want to ever perceive it again.
I'm pregnant.
What?
Yes, I'm 6 weeks gone. Mo plan láti sọ fún ẹni after birthday Tenny, but Ben happened.
But how? Why?
The how is because we made love to each other. And the why is because we are in love with each other.